we'll guide you through how to get Wix support effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website on your desktop. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down to the bottom and find the support link in the footer. Click on it to be directed to the Wix Help Center. Here you can enter keywords related to your issue in the search bar at the top to see if there's an article that addresses your problem. If you prefer to speak directly with a support agent, you can scroll down to the bottom of the Help Center page and click on Contact Us. This will direct you to a page where you can submit a ticket or request a callback. If you choose to submit a ticket, make sure to provide as much detail as possible about the issue you're encountering, including any error messages or screenshots if applicable. Alternatively, if you need a quicker response, you can also request a callback by selecting the Request a Callback option. You'll need to provide your phone number and preferred time for the callback. Wix aims to respond promptly, so you should hear back from a support representative soon. Remember that having a Wix account and being logged in can expedite the process since the support team will have immediate access to your website details. If you're not logged in, make sure to mention your account information when you reach out. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.